All right, so in this bull market we're in, a lot of people are saying, how do we get deals? In fact, I'm seeing investors give up or settle for, quite frankly, terrible deals where they're paying 85% of after repair value before, or I mean, once the repairs are done, they're in for those percentages. Okay, that is incredibly risky, incredibly risky. Will some of them work? Yeah, probably, because some speculative deals will work. But not all of them will. In fact, I'll argue that a lot of them probably won't. And so what do you got to do? You've got to do your own marketing, and you got to keep following up. Every property you put an offering on, make sure you follow up. Until that thing sells, you keep following up. Just recently, we put a property under contract. It took us 2 years to get the contract. 2 years. Okay? That's a lot of follow-up over a long time. But that's what it's going to take in some scenarios. Now, not every deal is going to take 2 years. That's obviously the extreme. But most people follow up once, maybe twice, and they're done. And just so you're aware, traditional sales data says that you have to touch every lead at least 5 times. 80% of sales happen after the 5th touch. You may have seen a meme about that. Well, it's true. So if you're not planning in your marketing, I don't care what it is, where it's MLS or off market or wholesalers, whatever, if you're not planning to touch every lead 5 times, you're most likely going to be disappointed in your results. So no matter what you do, follow up, follow up, follow up, and the deals will come. Thanks.